Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you stop accessing contacts on Snapchat or prevent contacts from accessing you on Snapchat? So let's open our Snapchat here without further ado. I'm using Android, but it also applies on iPhone. Doesn't really matter as long as it's Snapchat. So in here, you can see this options here, a bunch of options here in the middle, like community. Go ahead and the three dots here, just follow the orb here, this orb. Go to settings. Let's just scroll down here. And inside settings, you're going to see a bunch of options here. Click here in the privacy. Here, you could choose whether you like people to find out your account, basically, like friends nearby, friends connected to your socials. So if you don't want, then you could just click nobody on this one, or everybody if you want everybody to know. Okay, so that's just basically it. And now people, if you click this, people won't see your contact. They won't be recommended your contact anymore. So that's how quick and simple and easy it is. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.